If you're looking to start an online business, a freelancing career, or e-commerce store, forming an LLC can be one of the smartest steps you can take. But if you're not based in the United States, the process of setting up an LLC can feel confusing and complicated. That's where platforms like Privately come in. Their service is designed to help entrepreneurs from around the world to form companies in the US or UK quickly and handle important steps like company registration, registered agent services, and obtaining business documents. In today's video, we are going to show you how to form your LLC using Privately. So if you're ready to launch your business and get your company set up the easy way, do not forget to use our affiliate link in the video's description to get started. Let's begin. Before we start our LLC formation journey, the very first thing you need to do is head over to the official website, which is privately.com, and navigate to the pricing plans section. Once you're here, you'll immediately notice something important. The platform offers transparent pricing, which means all the costs are clearly shown upfront, so you know exactly what you're paying for. And of course, you may notice that there's a difference between creating a company in the United States and creating one in the United Kingdom, especially the pricing plans. All right? Because each country has its own formation requirements, government fees, services included, which is why the pricing can vary. So before moving forward, take a moment to review the available plans and make sure you're selecting the option that matches the country where you want to form your company. This step is crucial and helps you avoid confusion later and ensures you're choosing the correct setup right from the start. In my case, I am choosing the United States, and you can opt for the premium. But for now, we highly suggest you start with the basic. Click on it. Now, from here, all I have to do is super simple. Provide your mobile number, your email, and a strong password. And to make the account creation faster, you can also sign up using your Google account. And then you will be forwarded to the next page wherein Privately will ask an important question. Where do you want to incorporate your company? One of the biggest advantages of using Privately is that it's one of the few services that allows non-residents to easily form a company in different countries. So even if you are not living in these locations, you can still legally start a business there. Okay, so first off, we have the United States. This option starts at $229 as a one-time payment with no extra fees. And after that, that's going to be $99 per year for maintenance. The US is a popular choice because of its strong business environment, global credibility, and access to international payment platforms. And of course, you have United Kingdom. Forming a company here starts at $297 as a one-time payment. And the annual renewal fee is $59 per year. The UK is known for its fast company registration process and simple business regulations. Another option is Hong Kong, which is often called the gateway to Asia. It offers world-class financial infrastructure, making it an attractive choice for entrepreneurs who want to do business across Asian markets. And finally, there's Dubai in the United Arab Emirates. Dubai has quickly become a global business hub, and it's often said that many millionaires and future millionaires choose to launch their business here. It's especially popular for its tax advantages and strong international business network. So depending on your business goals, target market, and budget, you can choose the country that best fits your need. Of course, I'm choosing the first one. And once you've decided where you want to incorporate your company, you simply select that and continue to the next step, which is going to be choosing the plan that fits your business needs, size, goal, and of course, your budget. You can start from the basic, and of course, if you want to scale up, you can go to the premium. But before we do that, we might want to go to the left side area of the platform to explore some of the features. Number one is going to be the dashboard. The dashboard is where the main control center where we can quickly see the overview of your activity. Okay, it's the first page we see once we log in. Of course, the next is going to be the marketplace. This is a new feature in Privatily wherein it allows you to explore available products like item, logo design, EIN, or tools within the platform. Now, depending on the platform, you may be able to browse listings, purchase services, or discover new opportunities here. The next is going to be the orders. This is where you can track and manage your transaction. Later on, once we finish the LLC formation, we are going to be able to see the order here. Okay? And then the affiliate program allows you to earn commissions by referring others to the platform. Usually you'll find your unique referral link here if you want to copy that. Signups and earnings generated from your referrals. Once you've done that, let's go back to the dashboard and continue creating your LLC by going to these. For now, I'm going to choose the basic. Now we're on the next step, which is naming your business. On this page, you will be asked a simple but very important question. What's the name of your company and what category does it belong to? So you start by entering the name of your business right here and make sure the name is spelled correctly because this will become the official legal name of your company once your LLC is registered. Next, you'll need to select the business category that best describes what your company does. Is it going to be tech, commerce, marketing, consulting? Basically, there's a lot to choose from. In our case, that's going to be like entertainment because we are a YouTube channel. We're going to choose that. You'll also notice an extension option or the type for your company name. This is where you choose how your business will appear legally. Because most businesses select the LLC, or sometimes it may appear as L.L.C. or limited liability company, depending on the formatting. All of these refer to the same legal structure, but the most common and the clean format is simply LLC. So once you've entered your business name, select that and proceed to the next step of the company formation process, which is choosing a state for your LLC registration. Now, this is where your LLC journey with Privately begins, because the state you select can affect your setup cost, annual fees, and ongoing requirements. So, the first option is New Mexico. This one comes with zero extra cost. New Mexico is considered the most cost-effective state for ongoing maintenance. It has minimal annual fees and no required annual reports, which makes it a very attractive option for many online entrepreneurs. It also offers a fast setup process, making it one of the easiest states to start an LLC. Next, we have Wyoming, which comes with an additional $50 fee. Wyoming has slightly higher costs compared to New Mexico, but it still keeps operating expenses relatively low. One major benefit is that Wyoming has no state income tax, which can be appealing for many business owners. It does require an annual report, but overall it's still considered highly affordable and the setup process is also fast. The third option is Delaware, which requires an additional $100 fee. Delaware has higher operating costs compared to the other two states, including annual franchise tax and report requirements. However, Delaware is well known for offering strong legal protections for businesses, which is why many larger companies choose to incorporate there. Another benefit that Delaware has no sales tax, although the setup process can be a bit slower. Now again, when choosing your state, consider things like annual fees and how quickly you want your LLC formed. Because once you've selected the state that fits your needs, simply click on it to the next step, your LLC formation process with Privately. As you may notice, you have like the status here. Okay. The first one is about the LLC name and next is the state. After that is going to be the owner, where you need to provide information about the people who own the company. All right. So in my case, I have this one particular owner here, which holds 100% ownership of the LLC. You simply need to enter the name of the company owner if you want to add one right here and click the next button. What will happen is you will be forwarded to a new page. Now, the residential address refers to the home address or the person forming the company. This is where you personally live. Don't worry if you're located outside the United States. You can be based in any country and still continue with the LLC formation process. Simply enter your complete home address. Of course, the next platform that will be asked is if you have an SSN or ITIN. Basically, these are typically issued to US citizens and residents. Okay? Now, the ITIN or individual tax identification number is issued by the IRS for individuals who need to file taxes in the United States but are not eligible for an SSN. So if you have both, click the yes and enter the number when prompted. If you don't have one, just click the no, and the service will usually help you obtain the necessary tax identification later in the process, often when applying for your EIN. Alright, now we've reached the order summary page. This is one of the most important steps in the entire process because this is where you double check all of the details before moving forward with your LLC formation. So you have the time to quickly review what's shown on the page. Of course, you have the company information. This is the company you entered, and of course, the category or the business type. Right below that is going to be the state selection, and of course, you have the one-time state fees because we chose the New Mexico, which doesn't have the state fee, so it has like $0. Moving down, you have the owner section. This shows the ownership breakdown of the company. Of course, you can see the percentage for the owners, and of course, finally, we have the business address. And before clicking the next button, make sure you carefully review every detail on this page. Check the company name once again, ownership percentage, state selection, and address to make sure everything is correct. Take a few seconds to verify this information now so that you can help avoid errors, delays, or corrections later on. Once everything looks good, you can go ahead and proceed to the next step to continue forming your LLC with Privatily. On this page, you'll see the option to upgrade to the premium plan with a 10% discount. For only $128 more, you can unlock several exclusive premium perks that can make managing and launching your business much easier. Now, of course, you get all of these perks and benefits. So, if you want faster processing, expert guidance, and several tools to help launch your business, upgrading to the first base premium could be a great option. Once you've decided whether to upgrade or continue with the standard plan, you want to make sure to use our affiliate link in the video description. Click the second option if you wanted to stay basic with the $0, and from here, okay, so this is the final step. Just proceed with the payment to bring your LLC to life using Privatily. And don't worry, you're completely covered with the 100% refund guarantee. If for any reason you can't successfully form your own company, they will give you a full refund, no questions asked. Now, all I have to do is add your promo code if you have that. Remember to use our affiliate link in the video description and click that checkout. Just provide all the information needed, card number, name on card, and pay the exact amount, and there you have it. So go ahead, take the last step, and make your business official today. And basically, that's it for today's video on how to form your LLC using Privatily. Privatily makes the process super straightforward, whether you're just starting out or want a hassle-free way to get your business officially up and running. From quick registration to secure handling of your documents, it's all designed to save you time and stress. Now, if you found this video helpful or if you have any questions, drop them in the comments below. Would love to hear from you. And remember, if you're ready to start forming your LLC, make sure to use our affiliate link in the video description because it helps support the channel at no extra cost to you. And as always, thank you so much for watching, and we will see you again in the next video.